Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to get your glass showers cleaned up nicely. This is the stand-up shower. A lot of people have them in their bathrooms, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to get rid of the soap scums. I was trying to show you on camera here all the soap scums, but obviously with the glass it's kind of hard to see, but you could still see a little bit of that. So I'm gonna show you how to get rid of it. Here I'm just putting my hand to kind of get through, see if you could spot the soap scums there. You can see a little bit, but you get my point. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So to take care of the soap scums, I will be using my Dawn and Vinegar shower cleaner. I do have a video on it and how I make it, so I'm gonna link here. If you have not seen it, you can go ahead and see how it's made, and you can make one for yourself because it does come in handy. I started off by spraying it on the glass. I use a spray bottle, but you can actually mix it in a bowl and just go ahead and use a sponge and put it all over your glass. It still gives you guys the same effect, but here I'm just spraying it generously. I wanted to be sure that I covered all the areas, and then once I was done spraying everywhere and I made sure all the areas were covered, I let it sit for about 15 minutes. So the Dawn soap and vinegar mixture, it's just a do-it-yourself cleaner. I love having it on hand because it is good for pretty much everything. It removes water stains so well and soap scums in your tubs and in your showers as well. So I can't recommend it enough because the Dawn definitely makes everything lift up very easily, and you don't have to do a lot of scrubbing. And then the vinegar kind of disinfects everything, and I know a lot of people do not like the smell of vinegar, but I promise you, you don't really smell it here because it's mixed with the soap. But yeah, I can't recommend this enough. So if you haven't tried it yet, what are you waiting for? So after 15 minutes, I went in with a sponge, and in circular motion, I just started scrubbing the glass. Some areas needed a little bit more elbow grease, but it came out easily. After I got all the sides and I made sure everything was scrubbed good, it was time for rinsing. Now, as you can see, this shower did not have the long shower head where I could take it off and rinse. So I had to do the old-fashioned way, and I grabbed a jug and I just put in water and I rinsed off the glass that way. If you have a shower that has that long shower head, you are blessed. This one did not, which means I got soaked. Another amazing little tool that you can use for your glass showers is a squeegee, and it will clean your glass so good, and it takes off the water and it makes it look like it's dried up. So if you have one, I recommend it. I also cleaned the floor of the shower and also the tiles of the shower with the same cleaner, using my Violeta tub cleaner or shower cleaner scrubby thing there. I love that thing because it extends and just makes my life so easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Help me to continue to grow my YouTube channel And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.